Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to Common English Words. Today we're learning 100 of the most useful opposite words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Big. Small. Big. The elephant is big. Small. The mouse is small. Fast. Slow. Fast. The rabbit is fast. Slow. The turtle is slow. Hot. Cold. Hot. The coffee is hot. Cold. The Coke is cold. Light. Dark. Light. This is a light room. Dark. This room is dark. Hard. Soft. Hard. The rock is hard. Soft. The pillow is soft. Happy. Sad. Happy. This girl is happy. Sad. That girl is sad. Loud. Quiet. Loud. The music is loud. Quiet. The library is quiet. Open. Closed. Open. The door is open. Closed. The window is closed. Day. Night. Day. The sun shines in the day. Night. The moon glows at night. High. Low. High. The bird flies high. Low. The cat sits low. Right. Wrong. Right. That answer is right. Wrong. That guess is wrong. Strong. Weak. Strong. The man is strong. Weak. The child is weak. Sweet. Sour. Sweet. The cake is sweet. Sour. The lemon is sour. Full. Empty. Full. The glass is full. Empty. The box is empty. New. Old. New. I have a new teddy bear. Old. This teddy bear is old. Near. Far. Near. Park is near. Far. The mountain is far. Heavy. Light. Heavy. The rock is heavy. Light. The feather is light. Wet. Dry. Wet. My shirt is wet. Dry. I am wearing a dry shirt. Thick. Thin. Thick. The book is thick. Thin. The paper is thin. Early. Late. Early. I woke up early. Late. I go to bed late. Wide. Narrow. Wide. The road is wide. Narrow. The alley is narrow. Long. Short. Long. The rope is long. Short. The pencil is short. Left. Right. Left. The backpack is on the left. Right. The basketball is on the right. Up. Down. Up. The balloon goes up. Down. The leaf falls down. Inside. Outside. Inside. The cat is inside the house. Outside. The dog is outside the door. Tall. Short. Tall. The tree is tall. Short. The bush is short. Beautiful. Ugly. Beautiful. The dress is beautiful. Ugly. The old shoe looks ugly. Clean. Dirty. Clean. My hands are clean. Dirty. My hands are dirty. Easy. Difficult. Easy. This puzzle is easy. Difficult. This is a difficult puzzle. Smooth. Rough. Smooth. The table is smooth. Rough. The rock is rough. Cheap. Expensive. Cheap. This toy is cheap. Expensive. That car is expensive. Rich. Poor. Rich. The king is rich. Poor. The farmer is poor. Brave. Cowardly. Brave. The firefighter is brave. Cowardly. The boy was too cowardly to enter the dark room. Deep. Shallow. Deep. The ocean is deep. Shallow. The pond is shallow. Sharp. Dull. Sharp. This knife is sharp. Dull. That pencil is dull. Strong. Fragile. Strong. The rock is strong. Fragile. The glass is fragile. Kind. Cruel. Kind. She is kind to animals. Cruel. The villain is cruel. Tight. Loose. Tight. My shoes are too tight. Loose. This sweater is loose. True. False. True. That story is true. False. The news is false. Sweet. Bitter. Sweet. The candy is sweet. Bitter. The coffee is bitter. Polite. Rude. Polite. She is polite to everyone. Rude. He was rude to the waiter. Smart. Dumb. Smart. This girl is very smart. Dumb. That girl looks dumb. Fat. Skinny. Fat. The cat is fat. Skinny. The dog is skinny. Friendly. Hostile. Friendly. The neighbors are friendly. Hostile. The soldiers faced a hostile crowd. Generous. Stingy. Generous. He is generous with his money. Stingy. She is too stingy to share. Gentle. Rough. Gentle. The nurse has a gentle touch. Rough. The road is rough and bumpy. Healthy. Unhealthy. Healthy. Eating vegetables is healthy. Unhealthy. Too much junk food is unhealthy. Honest, dishonest. Honest. He is an honest man. Dishonest. The dishonest shopkeeper lied. Hungry, full. Hungry. I am hungry for lunch. Full. After dinner, I feel full. Innocent. Guilty. Innocent. The child is innocent. Guilty. The judge found him guilty. Interesting. Boring. Interesting. This book is interesting. Boring. That movie was boring. Lazy. Active. Lazy. He is too lazy to clean. Active. She stays active by running. That's all for today. Want to learn more useful English words? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.